Hey, I'm Jim. I build these frames and I'm going to show you how to mount your canvas inside my floating frame. So each frame is going to come with 6 pre-drilled holes, 2 on each of the long sides, 1 on the short side, and we're going to put the canvas inside and drill in from underneath to attach the canvas to the frame. So the first step, we're going to go ahead and put the canvas inside the frame. Now every frame is going to come with a set of 4 wooden spacers. So I'm going to set those spacers on each side. And once those are in, you still want to double check, make sure the corners all look good. This is looking good. Let me move this over just a touch. There we go. I found it's easiest to attach it by placing it on a tabletop or a countertop. That way you can lean half of it off and just drill from underneath. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill in with this hand. I'm going to hold the canvas in place with this hand. Hey, I'm going to show you how to put the hanging or mounting hardware onto your floating frame. And each frame comes with a set of 2 of these D-rings. And depending on if your canvas is going to go more wide or more tall, that depends on which side you're going to put it on. Mine's more of a wide frame, so I'm having it this way. So I'm going to put a D-ring on each side on the inside frame. And you want to put it down about 1/3 of the way down. I already marked mine. I'm going to go ahead and screw on the ring. Okay, and I already put it on the other side. So now we're going to go ahead and make our knot with the wire. Each frame's going to come with a wire that's long enough. You could go either way with it, and if there's extra, you can just cut it off at the end. So you go ahead and put it through the ring. You want to give yourself enough extra here, so you're gonna, you have your hole at the middle there. Now you're gonna twist this around like 3 or 4 times. Okay, and see we have our big loop here. We're gonna put it back through this loop. You're gonna pull it tight. And that's all there is to it. With this extra, depending on how much you have left, you can either cut it off or just twist it. Personally, I like to cut it off, leave a little bit there, and I'll just twist this down like so. There we go. So we're good on this side. And now let's do it on the other side as well. So pull it through, pull it tight. And we have a little beginning there. We're going to wrap it around 3 times or 4 if you feel like it's necessary, if you're an overachiever. There we go. I'm going to put it back through this hole at the beginning. And now I'm going to pull it tight. There we go. And you're ready to hang it. I'm going to cut off my extra wire on this side. Fold this back over. And we're good to go.